This is Roy Elliott with Roy Elliott Art, and welcome back to another video. Hey, listen, if your customizer ain't about 5 shoes deep, that boy is only painting shoes. He is not customizing. But listen, today I'm gonna be working on a Air Force One for my boy Ricky Bradley. Man, this boy has been waiting. This boy has been calling me. Well, listen, Ricky, the wait is over. This boy wants a Baltimore Raven. This shoe right here, gonna be a big one. So let's go ahead, get into the video. Man, listen, if you like this channel, if you seeing value, like, comment, but definitely subscribe to the channel. Man, it is about to go down. Let's go. Palm Drive 1200. Let's go.
Damn, I'm on.
They fire, bro. They fire, dog. Hey,
God.
they fire, dog. What up, Rick? You good?
What's going on?
Hey, I just wanted to show you your shoe right quick.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, I'm gonna flip you. You see that?
Damn, I'm on.
They fire, bro. They fire, dog. Hey, they fire, dog. Here, let me see if I can flip my phone. Here, let me do this. They fire, dog. Hey, watch this other side. You see that? They pearl, dog.
You're for real deal, boy.
Appreciate it.
Ooh.
They fire, bro. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. This one right here was the Baltimore Raven Air Force One for my boy Ricky Bradley. Listen, y'all know that I can't do too much more talking because I still got another one to do. That's Cynthia Dex. Y'all need to definitely check that one out because she is the highest paid African American female football player. Listen, I gotta go. If you guys got value from this video, please like, comment, but definitely subscribe to the channel, man. We are definitely growing. So I gotta go, man. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'll holler at you. 9-5 for life. We gone.